Hi everyone, how you doing? I'm actually doing a close-up video today, and I'm not sure whether I should do that because I certainly look 67 in my video today. I'll tell you what it is. I'm doing a video on the benefits of regular exercise. I was celebrating Mick Jagger's birthday the other day. Mick, he's 78 years old. And for those that don't know, Mick Jagger is the lead singer of the Rolling Stones, and you must have been in a cave all these years. But anyway, the Stones are going on tour again in a couple of months, and they're going to tour most of America. I mean, Jagger is now 78 years old, and the guy is as fit as a pup. I can't believe he's 11 years older than me. His wife's 31. Like, seriously? Do you think she's after his money? I don't know. I might have a really good personality. I'm always been a big fan of Stones, love them, But I was reading about Mick Jagger, and my weight's like just over 14 and a half stone. I need to get down to 12 stone. But Mick Jagger is sitting at 11 stone 4. Isn't that amazing? It really is. So anyway, I googled about Mick Jagger's fitness, and it's the same with Liam Gallagher. Liam Gallagher does a lot of exercise. By the way, Liam Gallagher is the lead singer of the band that broke up, Oasis. He runs daily too for an hour every day. But Mick Jagger takes it even further. Mick Jagger actually exercises for 3 hours, 6 days a week. Now, his main exercises consist, he does 8 miles a day running, he does cycling, he does yoga. It's just incredible for a guy who's age 78. Only a couple of years ago he had that operation in his heart valve, and it wasn't long after that he actually went on tour again. So I'm actually, I normally exercise 25 half hour, a night, going for a walk, or maybe just go on my rowing machine. But if Mick Jagger at 78 years old can exercise for 3 hours a day, I'm going to really push myself, and I'm going to exercise for just over an hour every night. I'll do a bit of cycling in my indoor rowing machine, my indoor cycling machine. I'll do a bit of cycling, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on my rowing machine, and I'll go for a sort of short walk as well. And I'm going to see if between now, we're into the 2nd of August, so August, September, October, November, December, that's 5 months. And I'm going to try and make it my goal to reduce my weight from just 15 stone, which, considering I had a heart attack 14 years ago, is not a healthy weight to be, because your BMI is very important in a healthy heart. But that's what I'm going to do, and I'll sort of come back every now and then and tell you how I'm getting on and whether I'm sticking to it. But I am determined that I'm going to try and do an hour and 15 minutes every night of the week in a couple of different exercises, and just to see how it takes me, So I'm going to actually call this channel how do you exercise and lose weight, and I'm going to give a weekly progress every Monday, right? So I weighed myself the other day and I was 15 stone 2. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to do, regular exercise and losing weight and good for your health. And, as well as following this here on my sort of fitness channel, I'd like you to subscribe and check out my art videos. My art videos are very detailed, and some of them are actually at number 1 on YouTube. But after reading about Mick Jagger, at 78 and doing 3 hours a day regular exercise, it's said in a Rolling Stones concert that Mick Jagger covers 6 miles in distance in that concert, and the concert goes on for two hours. I just find that totally amazing. I really take my hat off to the guy. Well, but as you can see, I don't have a hat. If you're wondering what the light is, I'm actually in the canteen at work, and the lights come on by movement. So that's why I suddenly got brighter there, you know. Funny enough, whenever I was younger, my old grandmother used to say, Arthur, I wish you were a lot brighter. Sometimes I wish I was a lot brighter myself, and then I wouldn't be making these videos. I would have probably got a good job and had good money and would have been retired now, instead of making videos on YouTube to try and make money into my retirement while I scrimp and save for to buy food and get by. It's not easy. Life is a hard lesson, my friends. It really is. But anyway, every Monday I will be posting a video on my update on my losing weight. So as I said, I'm 15 stone 2 now. I'll let you know where I am next Monday and how I'm getting on with my exercises and what my exercise program will be. And sure, it's good for a laugh, isn't it? I'll just set up another channel called, what do we call it, folks? How to lose weight and keep fit. How to lose weight. Yeah, how to lose weight and keep fit. That sounds good to me. And I'll maybe keep it running for a year. And who knows, if I go from a 15 stone 2 to 12 stone, completely brilliant BMI, and maybe it'll take years off me. It'll be a good wee channel to look back on for all of us in a year's time. But in the meantime, if you could subscribe to my channel, I'm always looking for new subscribers. Tell your friends about my site. Give me a wee like there. I like a like. And if you hit the bell for future stuff, do take a look at my other health videos and check out my my main videos there, which are the heart and the stent. And you know, you might not have had a heart attack, but it will still interest you because it'll help you to avoid having a heart attack. Half the information in there I wish I knew, and I probably would have avoided one myself. But it's a Monday, I'm in work. I'm actually feeling quite relaxed, to be honest. I suppose because it's 3:15 and I finish at 4:30, you know. You're lucky you didn't see me this morning coming into work at 8:15, grumpy old shite I was. Then most people say I'm a grumpy old shite at the best of times. But at least I'll not be a fat grumpy old shite if this works out okay. But thank you for watching. Do leave a few comments and let me know if there's any sort of secrets you have of losing weight or anything that has worked for you, and then maybe I'll try it out and I'll throw it in. But I'll see you next Monday. I'll have an update and we'll see if we've lost any weight. So here we go, folks. 15 stone 2. Let's take this big fat boy down to 12 stone. Alright? You take care. All the best, and thank you very much for watching. Thanks, folks. Bye bye.